This is Pat Matthews, deRobertis, coming to you from one of America's messiest kitchens. I hope you all are doing well today. Today we're going to discuss rolling pins because even though today may be the last day of National Baking Week, we know baking season, prime baking season, is just getting warmed up. Everybody's doing their pies and their tarts and cookies, and we're all getting ready. Don't forget, you're going to be stocking up on ingredients to do all that baking. Make sure you have enough modular mates and dry ingredient containers from Tupperware to keep everything fresh. Everybody knows everything's so expensive, and the butter, at least, you're keeping inside the freezer when it finally goes on sale. But the other ingredients are prone to being stale and losing their potency. And we don't want any critters in there either. So remember, modular mates and dry good containers. And also, don't forget, you're doing all this baking, you're going to be giving away these delicious things to your friends. Don't forget our containers. Tupperware makes the most fabulous containers. Tupper Fabulous. Not only for yourself, the lids are airtight, leak-proof, but to give as gifts. They're not only they're beautiful, but many of our containers are available as only as while supplies last. So not only will you be giving everybody your delicious gifts from the heart, so considerate, but their containers will be exclusive. How cool is that, right? Not to have the same thing as everybody else. That is always the best. So, but like I said, today I want to talk to you about rolling pins. This is a rolling pin I have, belonged to my great aunt. It's beautiful, right? Marble, it's weighted, you don't have to worry about that, and it's great when you need it to be chilled for your pastry dough. It also would be a great replacement for lifting weights, and you know you're standing there sometimes for hours rolling out dough. My mom had one of those old wooden ones, which were also weighted, you know, that size, and then she had a really long one, probably about 3 feet. My rolling pin is rolling away. That she used when she did ravioli. So she had this great big wooden board and this huge rolling pin. Not only the size of it, but the weight of it. And after a while, that more than took a toll on her as well. And with the heavy wood ones and the marble ones, you know, sometimes things fall off the table. They roll away, like this one was doing to me now. Having a marble rolling pin fall on your toes not only increases the fact that you won't be able to wear shoes for a little while, but if you move away from it and it doesn't hit you, it could do a job on your tiles. Who needs that, right? What you need is Tupperware's rolling pin. Look at this. Nice and easy, durable, and it can adjust to whatever needs you have. We have a little cap over here. Fill it with warm water for your yeast dough when you're rolling out, or put cold in when you're doing pastry. This way, when you're making all those cookies and the ravioli and the pie crust and the pastries. I know, we stand there for hours. You don't even realize it. Stretching across and working it out. Who needs the gym for upper body exercise when you bake? And if you need it to be a little heavier, using the same little hole, you could fill it with some rice, fill with beans, or I prefer not to have to use food in the house, the dry ingredients, and handling that. Go to the dollar store. They make those little glass beads that you use at the bottom of the aquarium, the terrarium, the other aquariums, and have them. This way, you can have them forever. Like your Tupperware rolling pin. It's guaranteed for life. You have a lot of years of baking ahead of you. Don't you want something you can rely on that'll be there with you? And the other good thing is, have an extra one. The kids want to help you bake. It's light enough for them too. You don't have to worry about them getting hurt. So, for $25, this is a deal that will make you happy. And everyone who's eating your delicious food happy for life. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.